Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class junior on. Our today's topic is greater to a smaller form part 2. My dear student, today is our lecture number 9 of annual term and today's SW will be number 8. I repeat, today's SW number will be 8. My dear students, when you do your assign SW in SW copy, you must give your SW number. Okay, you must give your SW number. So let us start our class. Arrange the following number from greater to smaller. That means descending order. Do you know what is descending order? Greater to smaller means descending order. My dear students, in our first lecture, that means greater to smaller part 2, part 1, we have already learned how to arrange the number from greater to smaller. Now we repeat again. 5, 3, 9, 2, 1. Suppose there are 5 numbers. They are 5, 3, 9, 2 and 1. Okay. So we arrange the number in descending order. At first we find out which number is greatest among these 5 numbers. Notice 5, 3, 9, 2, 1. So we notice 9 is the largest number of the following numbers. So at first we write 9. Okay, 9 done. And left 5, 3, 2, 1. From this 4 number, next which number is greatest? Greatest number is 5. So next we write number 5. Then left which numbers? 3, 2, 1. From these 3 number, which number is greatest? Greatest number is 3. Okay. So 3 is done. Next 2 and 1. From this 2 number, which number is greatest? 2. Okay. Then left 1. After that we write 1. Here 1 is the smallest number from the whole number. So the number greater to smaller is 9, 5, 3, 2, 1. I hope you have understood how to write numbers from greater to smaller. Now notice 310, 454, 321, 500, 359. My dear students, some numbers are given which are not arranged. We want to arrange this number in greater to smaller form. Before starting to arrange the number greater to smaller form, at first we know the place value of the digit of a number. Here you notice 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place and 3 is in hundred place. Okay, done. Next 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place and 4 is in hundred place. Again 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place and 3 is in hundred place. 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place and 5 is in hundred place. Then 9 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place and 3 is in hundred place. My dear students, notice here at first we notice the hundred place digit of the numbers. Notice 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. From this digit, which digit is greater? That means 300, 400, 300, 500, 300. So among these 5 number we notice that this is greater because 5 is greater of the other digit. That means 3, 4, 3, 5, 3. Here 5 is greater. So 500 is the greatest number among the whole number and we write 500. After that we notice left 310, 454, 321 and 359. From this 4 number again we notice the hundred place digit. Notice 3, 4, 3, 3. So here we notice 400 is the greatest than other numbers. Then we write 454. Okay, second one is done, and left three number 310, 321 and 359. My dear student, notice here the 100 place digit is 3, 100 place digit is 3, 100 place digit is 3. So, as the 100 place digit is same, next we shall follow the tens place digit. Here you notice 1, here notice 1, here 2, here 5. From 1, 2 and 5, 5 is greatest number. So, we consider 359 is greater than other two numbers. So, we write 359. Okay. Again you notice 100 place digit is same, tens place 1 and 2. So, from these two number we notice 2 is greater than 1. So, 321 is greater than 310. Now, we write 321. At last 310. I hope you have understood how to arrange the number from greater to smaller. Now, we check our answer is correct or wrong. Notice 500, yes, 454, yes, 359, 321 and 310. All the numbers are arranged in greater to smaller form. That means descending order. Okay, our first one is done. Next, we shall solve our second one. That means question number 4. My dear students, at first we know the place value of the digit of a number. Here 9 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place. 9 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place and 4 is in hundred place. 0 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place. 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 4 is in hundred place. 8 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place. Now, my dear students, at first we notice the 100 place digit of the numbers. Here the numbers are 359, 459, 320, 410, 398. From this number we notice the 100 place digit. Here 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. So, we notice the 100 place digit are 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. So, 4 is greater than 3. So, we consider these two digits, this one and this one, 459 and 410. From these two digits we notice 4 and 4 is same. Now, we consider the tens place digit. Here 5, here 1. Which one is greater, 5 or 1? 5 is greater. So, 459 is greater than 410. So, at first we write 459 as the greatest number of the following 5 numbers. So, this one is done. And notice 300, 300, 400, 300. So, this one is next lowest number, that means 410. So, this one is also done. Now, you notice the other 3 number. Here 100 place number is 3, 3 and 3. My dear student, notice the 100 place digit is same of the following 3 numbers. Now, we consider the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 5, tens place digit is 2, tens place digit is 9. From 5, 2 and 9, which number is greatest? The greatest number is 9. So, 398 is the greatest number among the 3 numbers. That means 398, and it is done. And left 359 and 320. My dear student, notice 3, 3 same, but 5 and 2. Here 5 is greater than 2. So, we say that 359 is greater than 320. So, we write 359. Okay. And left 320. I hope you have understood how to arrange the number from greater to smaller. Okay. Here now we check 300, 459, 410, 398, 359 and 320. So our answer is correct. My dear student, this is our today's lecture, and this is our CW and this is SW also. My dear students, this is your SW also, and this is SW number 2. And when you do your SW in your SW copy, my dear students, I repeat this. At first you write here SW number. Today's SW number is 8. After that you write here date. Okay? Date. Then you write the question here. That means arrange the number following numbers from greater to smaller. After that you write the sub number, that means 3. Then you write the question and here you write answer. I hope you have understood how to write SW in your SW copy. You must keep SW number and date, in which date you do your assign SW. My dear students, please do your assign SW regularly at home and submit it in our school library by your guardians or any other person. Your guardian or any other person can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and collect it after completing 1 week, that means next Sunday. Your SW is checked properly by your subjective teachers. My dear students, your each SW carry 2 marks, so don't neglect, and based on your SW, CT marks and SBA marks will be given. So do SW very regularly. Today's lecture is finished. I hope you have understood. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.